tried the BART application already?
Oh yes, I have downloaded it, and there's a special QR code for our audience.
Exactly, and the moment that you use this application, there's no transfer fee.
Yes, there's no transfer fee for international.
And there's no chances of winning a reward.
Yes, also.
Winning rewards.
Yes. So download now BART via your App Store or your Play Store. We would like to get the attention of a representative for BART to come up on stage, please. A representative of BART.
May request and your representative for BART, please come here on stage.
Welcome, sir.
Good evening, everyone. I'm a representative of BART, and I would like to explain who we have about BART. BART is you can send free to any country you want, like especially Philippines, for free. And we have our cash box reach to 100% from 0 to 100%. And yeah, so yeah, download BART.
Thank you so much, sir, and download BART app now.
Your support for this year's event.
Yes, thank you so much.
Our next sponsor, Anjali, I think the Star Jewelry.
Yes, we call on
from
this
Star Jewelry,
representative from Star Jewelry.
Please come up here.